Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do well to hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. This video is going to be a very helpful video, especially if you're a first time contact lens wearer, and because I don't like videos that have like long intros before they actually show us what they want to do, I'm going to dive right into the cocoa of this video. So I think 2 weeks back I got a package from Melon Colours. It's a contact lens brand, and I got these items. Okay, so I got this package from Melon Colours. It's a contact lens brand. Came with the contact lens itself, which comes in this cute pink box. So if you open it like this, you're gonna see two bottles. So each contains the contact lens, and this shade is in, I can't remember, but I'll check online and take a screenshot of the picture and put it somewhere here so you can see the color that I got. Hopefully it looks good on me. So it comes with this contact lens, it comes with the case, and the case has a contact lens storage, which is actually really cute. It comes with a picker, like this, in case you don't know what the picker is. It's a tweezer, so you use this to pick the contact lens from the container. Then it also has like what is it called? It has with a contact lens applicator, which is this. So you basically put it on here and then put it here. So I'll be showing you two ways to apply your contact lens with ease, just in case you don't have like all this stuff. For some reason it also has like a cute glitter this thing. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this, but I can definitely use it on my eyes as eyeshadow, as glitter. It comes with a card. So it comes with a mirror, which is actually very helpful. Ooh. These guys really took their time. So it comes with a manual, and inside the manual it just basically shows you like all the steps you're supposed to go through before wearing your contact lens. You get, so
make sure your nails are short and smooth. Long nails can damage the lens. Use water, use soap to wash your hands. Do dry your hands before after rinsing. Shake the package properly before opening. Blah blah blah.
So they said look for the sign that says upwards. So that's the sign here. Take off the lid slowly and turn from side to side, then your lid would, okay. Your contact lens comes in a bottle like this. Make sure to look for where there's an arrow sign. So usually where the arrow sign is where you're supposed to pull up. So I don't know if you guys can see the arrow. It's here, right? So what you basically want to do now is pull it where the arrow, right? So it pulls up like this. Hold it onto my palm. I'm going to drain the water. Use some solution. Squirt some onto my palm and wash, rubbing it in circular motion. What you do is open your eyes. Once you place it, you want to blink a couple of times. We'll be using the contact lens applicator, so I'm just gonna place it onto, this is actually my favorite method. Just place it on the stuff and just in case you guys can't see the color, it's a pretty brown greenish tone. It's really pretty. And guys, that's basically it. If you want to take off your contact lens, you just open your eyes, use these two fingers like this and pinch it out, and that's basically how you do it. And then you store it into your contact lens container, and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check them out on Instagram and purchase if you want to. I absolutely recommend them. The contact lens feels so soft, it's not heavy at all, it's not irritating my eyes or anything, and they have a range of colors that you would absolutely love. So